Welcome to my new video. This is Kalam again here. Then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install a theme on your WordPress website. At first, look my website. You can see this is a basic website where now install WordPress on my cPanel. So now I want to install a theme on my WordPress website. Just you need to log in on your WordPress website. Then just go appearance, then theme. Just click here, then you can see here is a lots of option. Just click add new theme. Now select your WordPress theme. Here lots of theme available here, free and paid. So I want to install Astra theme because this is a very comfortable for anyone. This link I will attach in description below, and if you want to get more discount for this theme, please contact me on my emails or just click my invitation link. I do my theme are already installed. Just go customize. Just one click here. Wow, you can see this is the option. Now you can change anything on your WordPress website. Now I'm going to on my website, then refresh. Just one click refresh. You can see my theme are already installed.